Hi, English 2. Ready to start your Awod for today? Let's get rolling. Let's keep it going. Today's word you have there is legal. Let's go for it's legal. Let's get a red pen. Legal. How many syllables does legal sound like it has? Legal. You said 2? You're correct. Legal. Legal. Once more. Legal. Your turn to pronounce it. Ready? Go. Did you get it? Awesome job. In Spanish is legal. What part of speech are we using this one? Adjective on both accounts. Okay. For both definitions, we're using it as an adjective. So it's going to be describing a noun or a pronoun. We got the familiar words. Legally or illegally, used as an adverb. Legality or illegality, used as a noun. And illegal, used as an adjective. Now we have synonyms and antonyms. For synonyms, words that can replace the word, in this case legal, we got allowed or permitted. Allowed, permitted. Antonyms, illegal, forbidden. Illegal, forbidden. Let's go over our definitions and then we will hit on some examples. Legal, used as an adjective, means when it's used only before a noun, connected with a law. Again, when it's used only before the noun. Remember that adjectives can come before the noun, or if it's a predicate adjective, it's on the predicate side after the verb. Connected with the law. Let's look at an example. Many of Charles Dickens' novels address flaws in the legal system of Victorian England. Charles Dickens was a writer back in the days, and in his novels he talked about flaws or mistakes or how poorly the government was doing. Flaws or errors, mistakes. In this case, he was talking about Victorian England. Victorian is just a period in England, and saying that the system, the legal system, was corrupt, had many flaws. It wasn't good enough, and he would always criticize this. He would always use this as reference in his novels. Notice how legal is before the system. System is a noun. Okay. In this case, legal is used before the noun, and it's connected to the law. Okay, which law? The Victorian England law, the system of law in the Victorian England period. In this case. Next example, legal is used as an adjective. It's allowed or required by law. It's allowed, permitted, or required by law. Let's look at our example. It is legal to park in a blue zone or disabled zone, I have the picture, if you have the valid permit. So whenever you're driving around and you see in a parking lot or a parking space this symbol, either on the ground or as a sign in a post, you can park there only if you have the valid permit. So if you have a permit, it's legal for you. It is allowed by the law. Okay, but in order to be legal, okay, you have to get this permit, okay, which is required by the law. If you do not have the permit to park in the zone, then it becomes illegal if you park there. Okay, and you have to get the consequences, either a ticket or your car be towed away, because this area is designated specifically for people who need it, who need the access, fast and easy access to get in and out of their car. Alright, English to students, This has been your academic word of the day. The word again is legal. Go ahead and write the sentence about yourself, your original sentence, on the bottom of your flashcard. Create a visual that represents legal for you so you can connect the meaning to your understanding. You can make sense of it. And copy the sentence of the day on the back. Have a great time studying.